Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Typeform for clean form UX and better completion rates. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Typeform account. On your dashboard, click on the form you wish to activate. Navigate to the Configure section located in the top menu. From the configuration options, select Notifications and Integrations. Enable the email notifications if you want to receive updates on submissions. Next, go to the Design tab to customize the appearance of your form. Choose a background color that aligns with your brand for a clean look. You can also select a font style that enhances readability. Now, switch to the Logic tab to set up any conditional logic. Adding skip logic helps streamline the user experience. To improve completion rates, consider using question branching. This allows respondents to answer only relevant questions. Once you've set up the logic, preview your form to test the flow. Check for any errors or confusing question placements. If everything looks good, navigate to the Publish section. Click on the Publish button to make your form live. Share the form link through your preferred channels. Monitor completion rates through the Results tab after sharing. Use this data to refine your form and improve user experience over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.